how to replace a shear key in a module. So as we know, the shear key is the protection for the module and the cutter bar, and it's designed to shear when torque is exceeded. Every module has one. So first things first, you've got to take the module out of the cutter bar. We have made previous videos on how to do this, removing, replacing and timing them, so you can go back and reference those to get to here. That's the shear key underneath the circlip there. So what you'll need to do is you'll need your circlip pliers, remove the circlip from the top, using a bearing separator underneath the gear in between the bearing, and you'll put that in a press, supporting underneath the bearing separator, and press down on the shaft until the gear comes off. It should look like this. That's the keyway there. So at that point you can use side cutters to grip it and pull it out, or if that key has completely shorn, you might need a hammer and a punch just to kick it out of the groove and on the gear. Clean up any burrs, put the new key steel in. Take note with this gear, it does have a step side and a hollow side. The step side goes down. And you press down on the top there, supporting from underneath the shaft here. Press it down all the way until it bottoms out against the bearing. It will be flush along the top. Then you can reflip the circlip. One question we do get asked about this key steel is, can any old key steel go? The answer is no. There is a grade, DIN 6885B, so it is strong enough to transmit the turning force needed to drive the module, but it's also soft enough to be able to shear. If you put any old steel in there, it could be too strong and won't shear, which could cause all sorts of problems. While you're there, it's also good practice to replace that O-ring. This O-ring seals the module to the cutter bar. That's the part number there. And that's the part number for the key steel. Another thing, the gear is fairly tight on that shaft. A press is advised. Not saying it's impossible not to use a hammer and a punch and a fence post when you're on the back of the farm, but it will be greatly difficult. So what we tell our customers there, have a module all ready to go in your toolbox. It's only 5 minutes to change it out if you do one of these. So hopefully answers those questions there, and we will make more videos as the questions come through.